In this video, we're going to show you how to use Excel in order to estimate average return, variance, and volatility for historical or sample returns. Our question is given here in red. APC share has annual return of 20%, 50%, negative 30%, and 10% in years 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023 respectively. So it was given here in red. The first question is calculate average yearly return. So we have a built-in function which is average. Then we need to highlight all our annual returns here. Close bracket and press enter. So our average return will be 12.5%. What if we would like to write our formula? So our formula is equal to what? Get the summation divided by the number. So you'll get 20% plus 50% plus negative 30% plus 10%, close bracket, divided by the number. So I need to count them. I know here they are 4 observations. Enter. So it will give you exactly the same average return. So it's easier to use the built-in function, which is the average. Then we would like to calculate our variance. So for our variance, we'll say equal var. We will choose .s. S refers to sample. P refers to population. So here we have sample data. And then we will highlight all our annual returns. Close bracket. So this will give us a variance of 10.92%. We can use our formula, which is equal. We need to get each return minus the average. Close bracket to the power 2 plus open bracket, get the second return minus our average, close bracket to the power 2 plus open bracket, get our third return minus average, close bracket to the power 2 plus our last return minus average, close bracket to the power 2, and all of them, and that's why I need to put all of them in a bigger bracket, divided by n minus 1, because we use the variance for a sample. Therefore, I will open bracket. I need to count them. I know that they are 4 minus 1, close bracket. It will give you what? 10.92. So we'll discover that when we use Excel built-in function, it will be easier and quicker. Then what will be our volatility? If we're going to use the built-in function, so this will be our standard deviation, and we will choose here standard deviation .s, S for a sample, and then we'll highlight here all our annual returns. So this will give us a volatility or a standard deviation of 33.04%. What about we would like to calculate it based on our formula? So we know that our standard deviation or volatility is the square root of our variance that we calculated earlier. And it will give you exactly the same percentage. So we recommend that you use Excel as it will save you a lot of time.